Insurance is more than just a safety net, it's a powerful tool for financial protection and peace of mind. Join us as we delve deep into the intricacies of insurance, empowering you to make informed decisions that safeguard your future. Meet Alex, a young professional who believed insurance was an unnecessary expense until a sudden accident resulted in significant medical bills. Alex's story isn't uncommon. Many individuals overlook the importance of insurance until a crisis hits. However, after today's video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of insurance and make wise choices to protect yourself and your loved ones. To grasp the significance of insurance, we must understand its fundamental purpose. At its core, insurance provides financial protection against unforeseen events. From life insurance to health, auto, and home insurance, each type serves a specific role in securing different aspects of our lives. In Insurance for Dummies, we find clear explanations of the different types of insurance policies and their unique benefits. By understanding the basics, you'll be better prepared to make informed choices, ensuring your financial well-being in times of need. Did you know that insurance isn't just about covering losses? It also provides peace of mind, knowing that you and your family are protected, regardless of what life throws your way. Now that we know the importance of insurance, let's explore how to determine your specific insurance needs. Insurance for Dummies emphasizes the significance of assessing your lifestyle, family dynamics, and long-term financial goals to identify the most suitable coverage. Are you the sole income earner in your family? Do you have dependents who rely on your financial support? Evaluating these factors helps determine the appropriate amount of life insurance to secure your family's financial future in case of the unexpected. Moreover, understanding how insurance fits within your overall financial plan is crucial. It acts as a vital component of your financial security, protecting your hard-earned wealth from unforeseen events that could otherwise deplete your savings. Life insurance is a cornerstone of financial planning, providing peace of mind and security for your loved ones. In this section, we explore the details of life insurance and its significance in providing for your family's financial needs if you were no longer there to support them. Insurance for Dummies presents us with different types of life insurance, such as term life insurance and whole life insurance. Each type has its benefits and considerations, making it essential to understand their nuances. For instance, term life insurance offers coverage for a specific period, providing an affordable option for temporary needs, while whole life insurance provides lifelong protection with potential cash value accumulation. Understanding these options empowers you to choose the policy that aligns best with your family's needs and financial goals. Health insurance is a crucial aspect of protecting your well-being and financial security. In Insurance for Dummies, we explore different health insurance options available to you. If you're employed, your company may offer an employer-provided health plan as part of your benefits. These plans often include medical, dental, and vision coverage for you and your dependents. Alternatively, you can opt for private health insurance, which offers flexibility and customization. Individual policies allow you to tailor coverage to your specific healthcare needs. For individuals with limited financial resources, government programs like Medicaid provide essential healthcare coverage. Medicare is available for seniors aged 65 and above and certain individuals with disabilities. When choosing health insurance, consider factors such as your health condition, financial situation, and preferences. Having the right coverage ensures timely access to healthcare services without the burden of high medical costs. Remember, health insurance is a valuable tool for safeguarding your health and financial well-being. Take the time to understand your options and choose the plan that best suits your needs. Our cars and homes are significant investments that deserve protection. Auto insurance shields us from financial loss due to accidents or theft, while home insurance covers property damage and personal belongings. Insurance for Dummies provides a comprehensive overview of auto and home insurance, including the various coverage options and factors that impact premiums. Understanding these nuances ensures your valuable assets are safeguarded, and you can navigate the choices with confidence. Did you know that factors like your driving history, the make and model of your vehicle, and your location can affect your auto insurance premiums? Similarly, home insurance premiums depend on factors like the location of your home, the type of coverage you choose, and even your credit score. Despite our best efforts, insurance can still be tricky to navigate, leading to common mistakes that may have costly consequences. In this section, Insurance for Dummies points out these pitfalls and offers expert advice on how to avoid them. One common mistake is underinsuring, where individuals opt for minimal coverage to save on premiums, only to find themselves inadequately protected when a significant event occurs. Overinsuring, on the other hand, may lead to unnecessary expenses. Insurance for Dummies provides practical tips to strike the right balance and secure the appropriate coverage. Furthermore, understanding the fine print of insurance policies is crucial. Reading policy terms thoroughly and seeking professional advice when needed can help you avoid potential surprises and ensure your policies align with your needs. Shopping for insurance doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this section, Insurance for Dummies offers valuable tips for making smart insurance decisions. One of the most crucial tips is to compare policies and quotes from different providers. Each insurance company has its pricing model and coverage options, and comparing them allows you to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Additionally, understanding the scope of coverage, deductibles, and any additional riders or endorsements is essential when choosing a policy. Insurance for Dummies helps you identify what to look for and what to avoid, ultimately simplifying the process of shopping for insurance. Congratulations! You've now completed Insurance Made Easy, gaining invaluable insights from Insurance for Dummies. Armed with this newfound knowledge, you can navigate the insurance landscape with confidence, protecting your financial future and that of your loved ones. Remember, insurance is not just a safety net, it's a foundation for a more secure and prosperous future. Stay informed, stay protected, and continue building a life filled with financial peace of mind. Before we conclude, a friendly reminder that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult with a qualified insurance professional for personalized recommendations tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care, and stay financially secure.